Trump then sort of announced that he'd decided on who his new Fed chairman would be. And there's a guy called Kevin Warsh, and we'll talk about him in a bit more detail. But at the margin, Kevin Warsh is someone who believes that the Federal Reserve shouldn't be printing money. They should be sort of reducing their balance sheet size. And gold, in particular silver and gold, do well when central banks are printing money. Quantitative easing, as it's called. And so people immediately went, oh my goodness, Kevin Warsh is anti-quantitative easing. He's more quantitative tightening. That could lead to a reduction in liquidity. That then, I think, at the margin, got some people also wanting to sell gold and silver. I think those are the two things combined all at the same time to give this massive downdraft for both.
As gold and silver have, well, I was going to say settled down. They haven't settled down at all, but the sentiment around them seems very different. I mean, the gold bulls seem mainly unabashed, whereas I haven't seen anybody on social media or any of the financial stuff I look at that still seems to be bullish on silver. Would you say that's a fair summation?
Definitely. I think, JP, the interesting thing is if you look at a chart at gold, and you can do this on IG, you can put in moving averages. The gold price, having spiked up well above the 200-day moving average, in the last day or two has come back. It went well below the 200-day moving. It's now just above it. So it's back to what you call a longer-term trend.
It looks more like a healthy correction.
It does. It's a healthy correction in a bull market. Silver, I think it's right to be a bit more cautious on silver. It's right, I think, to stay a little bit more cautious because there's such huge volatility in silver. That will scare a lot of people. And we've seen it in crypto. When crypto and Bitcoin, as we know, has fallen, significantly. It's fallen also about 40% from its highs.